In Bhagwat Gita, Lord Krishna explains to Arjun about the nature of soul. It is explained in chapter 2 from verse 20 onwards. The 20th verse is as below.
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचि न्यायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूय अजो नित्य शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे.
Let us see the meaning of the verse. The soul doesn't take birth, nor does it die. The soul is eternal. It is without birth and death. It is ageless. It doesn't get destroyed when the body becomes dead. If we read the verse in detail, it says that soul doesn't change with the changes in the body. When the body dies, the soul remains immortal. When the body ages from a child in womb to death, the soul remains the same. The soul is glorious, deathless, fearless, and knows no aging. It has existed from infinity and it will exist till infinity.
If you found this video interesting, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.